fish. Well, I got the boat all launched. It's after work. I got my Rio dog with me. We're gonna go do some after work fishing. See if I can catch some trout or something. The conditions are pretty good. It's not that windy. And let's get it, dude. I'm gonna go with the old tried and true gambler flapping shad. It's always my favorite lure. Let's see if I can't catch a fish with Mr. Rio. I'm on a reef, so hopefully I can get a trout or two.
Woohoo! Brother. Oh yeah, Rio, get that fish. Get the fish. Well, put him in the live well. Drop it. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Fetch it up. Rio, fetch it up. Fetch it up. Here. Oh boy, fetch up. Oh. Drop it. Well, there's the first keep 2. Heck yeah, brother. Got a fish.
I think it's a gaff top. Oh, maybe it's a trout. It's a nice trout. Oh no. It's a ladyfish that's hooked in the tail. Woohoo! Rio, leave it. Leave it. Well, I hooked a big old ladyfish in the tail. That's pretty neat. What do you think about that, Rio? In the tail. It's a big sucker. I use it for cut bait, but I don't need it. They just get mushy in the freezer. Got me another keeper. What do you think about that, Mr. Rio? And another keeper. That makes 2. It wasn't looking very good. Drop it. Right at the corner of the mouth. Nice 16-inch fish. Heck yeah. I'm eating good tonight. Makes 2. I just need 1 more. I'm about to leave. Heck yeah. Well, this turned out to be a pretty good evening. I've got 2 keeper trout, a gaff top, and a big ass ladyfish. Can't complain for an after work trip. Right, Rio? Yeah. Good boy. I got a fish. I had it in the rod holder right here. I was just trolling. It seems like a pretty good one. Let's see what it is. Seems like it's probably another keeper trout. I would have to guess. I think I got my 3rd. I was just trolling. Trolling in the bay. Might as well catch a freaking marlin. And wah! Keeper trout. Rhea, leave it. I was trolling. I was trolling. There's the last keeper of the trip. I caught it trolling. I caught it freaking trolling my lure out of the back. Good boy, Rio. It's a nice one too. Well, I got my 3 trout. I guess it's time to go home. Hey, Rio, fetch it up. See if he'll bring it to me. Fetch it up. Good boy. Here. Rio, here. That's a good dog. That's a good boy. It's a nice trout. Well, there's my 3 trout. There's my Rio dog. Caught it trolling. That's why I got this boy right here for offshore. But hey, it worked out, I guess. Look at the sunset. Heck yeah, brother. That was pretty sweet. I'm glad I went fishing after work today. That was sick. It's only been like an hour and 20 minutes maybe. Sweet. Time to pack up and go home. Peace. Well, thanks for watching this video. Me and Rio had fun. Look at him. Look at all the scales all over him right there and right there. He had fun. I had fun. Stay tuned to the next one. It should be pretty good. I didn't expect this one to be good, but it worked out. Later.